This year, the Year 6 team are Miss Duggins and Mrs Ward-Evans. I'm Miss Duggins and I have been teaching now for 4 years at St George's. This is my second year in Year 6 and I'm the art coordinator for the school. Most of your children should be familiar with me as I did teach them when they were in Year 3. I'm really looking forward to having them again this year.
I'm Mrs Ward-Evans and I've been teaching for over 25 years. However, this is only my second year at teaching with Year 6. I lead science across the school. The whole class already know me as I've worked with them when they were in Year 5 with Mr Hill.
The SATs exams are obviously a big part of Year 6 and for this academic year they will begin on the week commencing the 9th of May in 2022. Throughout the year we'll be doing lots of SATs preparation, past paper practice and something called 10-minute tests. However, we do try not to make SATs the be-all and end-all of Year 6. We don't want the children to feel too much pressure and there are obviously lots of nice things for them to look forward to throughout the year as well. Year 6 usually go on a residential trip to Blackwell Court. We are really lucky to say that we are able to go on this trip again this year. The Blackwell Residential will be taking place from Monday the 18th of October until Wednesday the 20th of October. Your children will get to take part in a variety of activities. It will really help build their leadership skills as well as their personal and social skills, and it's just a really nice chance for them to get away from the classroom and develop skills that aren't just academic. Year 6 will be going swimming on a Friday afternoon for the first part of the year. They will need to bring their swimming kit with them, including a swimming costume or trunks and a towel. The pick-up time will also be different, but you will be let know in a letter that will be sent out. Reading is a really big part and a really important part of everything that we do in Year 6. Children will be expected to read independently every day, but also we will be reading to the children a class reader every day. At the moment, our class reader that we've just started is called Holes. I hope the children really enjoy it. I really enjoyed reading it last year. The children should also read at home and be encouraged to read at home, and that should be both independently and also with an adult. That's really important even at this stage of their education. In school, we will also do tasks based upon reading, including reading comprehension, where children will be required to provide a written response. We also do a lot of writing in Year 6. We are still working on basic skills like spelling, punctuation, grammar and handwriting. This is still really important and something that we don't really let go in Year 6. We're also aiming to extend and develop the children's vocabulary always. And we often write for different purposes. So we might write a diary extract or a newspaper article or a setting description. And it's important that the children can transfer their skills across the pieces of writing.
This year, the whole school are starting a new scheme for maths called Power Maths. The children will have some form of maths lesson each day and also a weekly arithmetic test on a Monday. The arithmetic test is to develop their speed and precision in calculations. It's also important the children develop their reasoning skills in mathematics so they understand what a problem is asking them to do and can then use appropriate vocabulary to explain how to solve it. Test practice is something else we do in Year 6, as this is a skill in itself. As we get close to SATs, we'll be doing this more to help the children practice these skills.
In Year 6, spellings will be given out on a Monday and tested on the following Monday. All of the spellings given will be Year 5, Year 6 statutory words. The autumn term at St George's will be the Discover term. As a whole school, this term will have a history focus, and for Year 6, their topic will be learning about crime and punishment throughout time, and this will link to our big question that we are looking at: should we always do as we are told? We are really looking forward to the year ahead with Year 6. Obviously, Mrs Ward-Evans and myself have both taught this class before and we know that they are capable of great things, so the year ahead is really exciting. We're sorry that we couldn't meet in person, but if you do have any further questions for either of us, please do ask.